Well, hello everyone, I'm back. The new proud American conservative. Yes, the new American became an American citizen last year. Very proud of that. And what time to become an American citizen, right? Crazy times, and unfortunately we haven't seen anything yet. Before I show you guys a couple of projects that I'm working on here at the new property, I finally got my, I call it dreamland, close to 40 acres away from people. This property just goes on and on, but I'm going to show you right now. I'm working on a barn. These guys I found here are, man, they can get it done. I got very fortunate. They're a bunch of veterans. I like to support military, so I was able to meet a couple of guys and give them some jobs here. And like I said, they're doing a great job. So I had already kind of like a barn setup. The previous owner used it. He used it just for an RV, but I'm going to do about 8 stalls. We are right now finishing with the 4th one, and you guys will see what it looks like. And this is what I'm planning on doing here, is to have my own livestock, of course. Chickens are arriving soon. Do not have any horses yet, cows, goats, but that will be coming soon. I would say in the next few months, since the barn is almost completed. So phase 1, to go back to financials real quick, and my setup for the upcoming week. Sorry, it started to rain here a little bit. I did not leave too many positions in the stock market, and the reason is it's just a lot of uncertainty right now. There is a good possibility the market can sell off next week or the week after, and then start to go back up again right into the election. So this is the opportunity I'm looking for. If it doesn't happen, it's okay. I got 30% left into the market right now, which is the Equinox, which is a gold mine. That's the only position I have left. And that's my large position, and I'm going to continue buying into dips in this one. Any 5% or hopefully higher, I am buying Equinox. So EQX is the index. Everything else is out. 70% in cash, 30% in only one stock. So like I said, I could be wrong. It's okay, but the way I see it right now, if this sell-off that's short-lived, if it doesn't happen now before the election, there is a very good chance it's going to happen pretty quickly after the election, which I'm just going to jump all over it then. So it doesn't matter to me. I'm looking at it as a win-win situation here, or the loss will be very minimal to none. That's kind of how I'm playing it. Because if you're still in cash, no matter how much the dollar is and has been debased, cash is still king. So you got to have cash for sure. If you guys follow my blog, you know that I use 20-30% of my winnings out of the market into the hard tangible assets like gold, silver, and even platinum. I included a lot of platinum lately because it's nowhere close to the all-time high, and gold is already at the all-time high. So silver was already my big position anyways, so platinum is what I'm really keeping a close watch on. So that's when it comes to that. Phase 1 of this biggest wealth transfer. A lot of people are not aware of what is going on. Phase 1 was completed back in March, April, when people were forced to lock down. Small businesses were destroyed because a lot of them did not reopen again. This all happened back in March, April, when, like I said, a lot of people were not allowed to go to work because certain people picked which jobs are essential and which jobs are not essential. All this crazy stuff was a part of the deliberate destruction of the lower and middle class, and now it's the upper middle class that's getting decimated with rents. People can stay inside your passive income. They don't have to pay rent because they are protected by certain states, by government. Because of COVID, you know the deal. So this is going to completely destroy the upper middle class and push them to lower middle class, which is what the goal is. I know it sounds crazy, but this gap between the Wall Street and Main Street is designed to widen and to get to the point of no return. That's just the bottom line. So phase 2 would be of this biggest wealth transfer ever. Phase 2 would be what I think it's coming now, 20 to maybe even 40% sell-off, and then a huge run up again. Just a typical pump and dump scheme, how these professional riggers get away with. So I'm just trying to be on the right side of things and take advantage of the opportunity if I see one. So let me show you what I got here real quick, and hopefully this video helped you guys with your positions, or if you're not into the stock market, that's totally fine. I always advise to buy some hard tangible assets to have in your own possession and to be self-sufficient. Here's my self-sufficient setup here. So this was the, just like I said, an RV setup, and we turn it into a, I think, nice looking barn. It's nowhere close to be done yet, but you can see the doors already right here. And that's the first project, bigger project here. Next, of course, is livestock, which is coming up. Take care. God bless you all.